General Bajwa, the Chief of Army Staff Pakistan, who's been invited to represent Her Majesty the Queen at the Sovereign's Parade. He will become the first Pakistani to be the Sovereign's representative. And here you can see the inspecting party.
General Sir Patrick Sanders, Chief of General Staff, British Army, Major General Duncan Katz, Commandant Royal Military Academy, General Officers, Excellencies, distinguished guests, faculty members, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear officer cadets, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. It is indeed a unique honor and great privilege for me to represent Her Majesty the Queen at Sovereign's Parade at Sandhurst. First and foremost, let me congratulate all graduating cadets and their families on successful completion of training at the Academy.